Okay, the number 4, aw, aw. To achieve the number 4 position and vowel, begin with the number 5 position and stretch your cheek and lip muscles as far forward as you can. Ah, aw, ah, aw. The opening will change from an oval shape to one a bit more rectangular. Think only of the maximal forward stretch and the largest possible opening. Long, blonde, commonly mispronounced as.
She had long blonde hair.
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 She had long blonde hair. She had long blonde hair. She had long blonde hair.
Again, these number 4 aw sounds need a much bigger lip opening. Begin with the number 5 position and stretch your cheek and lip muscles as far forward as you can. Ah, aw. Ah, aw. Ah, aw. Long.
Long.
Blonde.
Blonde.
Long. Blonde.
Blonde.
Alex, a little bit bigger opening. Think of the biggest stretch. Ah. Ah. Stretch, everything stretching forward, right? Ah. Oh. Ah, but see, you're closing down. You're making it too small. Keep it just as, you're just stretching the cheek and the lip muscles forward, but you're keeping that big opening.
Okay.
Ah. Oh. That's it. That's it. It's a big stretch. You'll feel a big stretch there. Ah. Oh. You close down a little bit again. Keep it open. Ah. Oh. Stretching the cheek and the lip muscles, but keeping that opening. Ah. Don't pull back. Stretch forward. Ah. Oh. That's it. Long.
Long.
Let's do the exercise again. Ah. Oh. That's it. Long. That's it. Blonde.
Blonde.
Very good. Long. Blonde. Not. Dollar. Body. Clock. Lock. Sock. Rock. Box. Stage 2, a bit more rapidly but retaining the stretch. Long, blonde, knot, dollar, body, clock, block, sock, rock, box. Repeat again, stage 3, more rapidly with a slight easing up of the gross stretch. Long, blonde, knot, dollar, body, clock, block, sock, rock, box. All right, let's do another forward yawn stretch. Oh, oh, oh. Everything stretching forward. Oh, oh. Right? Notice that every part of the body stretches forward. Oh, everything is stretching forward.